Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at refreshing your user data simply by logging out and logging in again. Okay, so let's get to it. Now on Keepsales, you are able to log into a particular account one at a time. So anytime you are logged in, you log into your desktop app. Anytime you open that desktop app, you don't need to log in again. So let me close this and let me demonstrate this to us. So I've closed the app. Okay, I try to reopen it again, and you notice that it takes me straight, okay, to the account that is logged in. Okay, so anytime you want to log out, okay, you want to refresh your data, you click here to log out. Okay, once you've logged out, you can log back in. Okay, great. So previously what you saw was an error message because I wrongly entered a password. Okay, so let me do that again. Anytime you enter your password details wrongly, this is the message that you receive. Okay, so you want to be careful when you enter your user details. Okay, so it takes me back here. Okay, if I want to use another user account to log back in, what I have to do is I have to click to clear all data from this computer. Once you do that, okay, then you have to re-enter your license key again. You clicked, sorry, this is the wrong license key, so this is the message that I get. Okay, so once I enter, okay, it takes me back, and then you can go ahead to enter the new username or the password that is linked to your business. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There are more of such videos which are available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.